Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 23, student edit and update records from database using Laravel 12. Tuition class in Laravel 12, www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is my official website name. And this anytime issue, so please contact, call and WhatsApp 919941599815, and this is a number is a 24/7 always available, and this is a number is a paid service is a available. Any issue, so please contact this WhatsApp and call. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, and this is a directory inside available htdoc inside this Laravel _12, and this is already run localhost Laravel _12, and this is a student list is available, and this is a localhost PHP my admin already run. Let's click this student, and this is a table is a student table. Inside this is a for record is available, and this for record is a show. Let's inside this action, inside this is a button is a implementation button, name is a edit button. Let's this list file is open. Resource view admin, this is a super admin student, and this is a index blade.php. This is available, and this action inside this is a blank is available. This is a td tag is a blank. Let's add tag and close this tag. Inside this is a edit is a implementation. fa icon is a implementation. I class fa edit, and this is a edit tag is a url is a implementation url, and this is a blank. A class btn sm btn warning. This is a edit button is a set. Let's refresh this page. This is a page is a refresh and working fine. This is a edit button is a available. This is a icon is a available edit. Let's same name copy and edit, and this is a edit dot, this is the same name is a copy, and this is a dynamic value is available. This is a dynamic value is available. This 1 2 3 4. Let's refresh this page. This one is available. This is 100% inside. This is a show. Let's 1. This is a 2 3 4 successfully. This is a inside this show. Let's click this 2 number is edit, and this is a edit is a 2 number is available. Let's same name copy, and this is a web.php open route. Inside this web.php, inside this is available super admin this function. Inside this new function is a create get method. A tag means get method, and this is a id is a pass, and this student class, and this is a edit. Save file successfully. This is a save file. Let's copy this student controller open, copy this name, and student controller is available. App http controller and this student controller. Let's inside this new function is a create public function and paste here, and this is a $id echo $id and die. Save file and refresh this page successfully. This is a 2 number is available. This is a 2 number. Let's again this back button click this. This is a 3 number, so this edit this 3 number 100% is a show. This is a 3 number, all good. Let's resource view super admin dot student, and this is a edit file, edit, and close this. Let's same name copy. This is already available super admin folder. Inside the student folder is available, and this is a new file is a create successfully. This is a blade.php successfully create, and this is a www.errorsolutioncode.com. Save file. Let's refresh this page. This is available. All good, this working fine. And this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are held to help 24 into 24 into 7 anytime. I am available WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And this is a list of project is available. Please buy any other issue, so please contact this form. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's start this video. This is a remove, working fine. Let's remove and save file, and this is a blank file is a working fine. All good. Let's first of all, this is the add file is open. Control A, copy this name, copy and paste here and save file. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. This is a click the student, again the sidebar menu, and click this 3 number is a click, and 100% is a show. Let's the inside, this is a edit and update, select step by step implementation, edit, update, save file and refresh this page. This is a show, edit and update, and this is the update button, submit, remove and update button is a set. All good. And this is a name is available, name, email, phone number and address, and last is a date of birth date. This is a show. This is all good is available, ID, name, email, phone, address, date of birth date. This is a all good. And this is a registration, update date is a registration is a not a change, and this is only update date is a change this project. All good. This is a 3 number is available, this 3 number, so this 3 number is a Mehul, so let's all the record is inside this Mehul is a show. First of all, this is a student table is available, this student table, so this is a open this model inside this student model, and this is a table is available, same name, copy, and inside this open, this is already included, this is included, copy this name, $data get record is equal to find a $ID, save file. Let's copy this name, paste here, successfully paste. Let's this copy this name, copy, and inside this pass here, this is $data pass is the value, paste here $data, and this is a first column name is a name, this is a name is a second is a implementation, this is a email, third is a implementation, phone number, and this is a address, last is a birth date. Successfully all record is a show. Let's refresh this page, and this is a all record is a show, good working. This is a fine, this is a all record is a show. Let's click this again, this click this inside, this is a Gopal, and this gopal@gmail.com edit, and 100% this is a all edit. Let's this phone number is available, phone number is gopal@gmail, gopal this mobile number, this is the address, and this is a birth date. All good. Let's this table is a update, same here as it is a working fine. Please step by step write down. And this method is a post method, this method is a post, and this same here copy and paste here, and this only method is a sense post method, and this is a update, same file. Let's copy this name, and new function is a create public function and paste here $request and ID pass here. This is ID is a inside this pass, so this is a ID is a pass, this ID dd $request all and save file and refresh this page and update 100%. This is a name, email, phone number, address and date of birth. This is a all field is available, and this all field same here copy and paste here inside this remove and paste, and this is a remove find $ID. This is a all good, name, email, phone, address and date of birth. this is available, all successfully available. And this is a name, email, phone, address, date of birth, and this is a inside this implement. And this is a record is successfully update, all good. This is a working fine, and this is a model in this fine. Let's back button, click this. This is a Gopal is a successfully Gopal is it is working. Let's Vivek and update successfully. This is a Vivek, and this is a record is successfully updated, good working. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a Vivek is a update. This is a number is a change this number, edit, and 100% this is a 111, and this is a India colon is a 203. This is update and successfully update. So this is a good working. This number is a change, this is a address is a change, all good. This is a date of birth date is a change. Let's edit. This is a 2 number is a edit birth date, and this is a 1 and update 1 April 2025. This successfully update. This registration date is a not a change. This registration is the new record is update. Last is Gmail account is a change, edit Alex01 and update successfully 1. This is a account, and refresh this page, all good. This is a working fine. This is a update, and this is a current date. Today is update. This is a 10. This is a 10 is update. This is a record is a not update. So this is a record is a not update, and this is a not a change, all good. And this message is available. This message inside this success message, and this is success message. This file is a message file inside. This is already created. This message success message, and this success message is a list file inside. This is a include date. This is a message included file, and this updated date. This is update record. TS not include this, not use this, remove, save file, and refresh this page, working fine, all good. Otherwise, let's implement TS update date, same here, copy and paste here, and this is the update date. This is the same name is a copy update date, save file, and refresh this page. This is a refresh this page successfully. This is a update is a today is a update. So this is the date is a sale. This is a not a record update. Let's update. This is a 2 mobile number is update only 33, and remove successfully. This is a update date, good working. This is a record is a fine, all good. Step by step write down this. First of all, this is a write down inside. This is a 2 route is a create. First get method, second is a post method. Controller inside this 2 function is available, this 2 function, and this file is a plus step by step write down, and this is a model is a student model. This video is done. Edit and update is done. Thank you for watching. Thank you.